She's just my friend.
Just your friend.
It's okay, auntie.
Hi. This is Ragini. Welcome to my new vlog. Another day, another new vlog in my hometown. So today I am sitting in my nano car just to practice once, and then probably I might go with my mom to get non-veg because my relatives are coming. My mom's elder sister is coming, my mom's younger brother is coming with their families. I think it will be a very interesting and good day. Lots of laughter and gossips with them. Let's practice and see. It has been like more than 7 months, like 7 months approximately, I've not drove. And I'm also scared. I don't know whether I remember or not. First a seat belt. Probably I'm not going to take it like to the city. Maybe I'll practice here itself. ನೋಡು ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡು ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಕಲ್ಲತ್ರ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ Okay, I'll catch you guys later. Successfully I've come and reached near the chicken shop. Okay, let's go and get chicken. My mom is there. She'll go and buy. I'll just go with her. Hi. I'm parking in someone else's place because where we park, I don't know. I can't park there. It's slightly difficult. Yes, I was able to drive and I had not forgotten. I am so happy. ಹೀರೋ ತರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾನೆ ಏನು ಹೀರೋ ತರ ಹೀರೋ ತರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾನೆ ಏನು ಏನು ಸದನ್ ಏನು ಏನು ಕಮಾನ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣವಾ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಬೈತಾರೆ ಓ ಓ ಓ ಓ ಬೀಳ್ತ್ಯಾವ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬೈತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಹಾಂ ಬೀಳಲ್ವಾ ಬೇಡ 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 ಬೀಳ್ತೀಯ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊ ನಾನು ನೀನು ಬಿದೋಗ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಓ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹುಷಾರ್ ಮೆತ್ಗೆ. ಚಾರ್ವಿ ಮೆತ್ಗೆ ಮೆತ್ಗೆ. ಅವಳು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ತಾಳು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ನೋಡು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 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 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೆತ್ಗೆ ಮೆತ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಂ ಇವನ್ ಕೈನೂ ತೊಳ್ಸ್ಬಿಡು. ಪಂಚರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಟೈರ್ ಪಂಚರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನು ಕಳ್ಳ ಇದಾನ? ಹಾಂ 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 ಹಾಂ. ತಲೆ ಏಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ? ಮೆತ್ಗೆ 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 ಮೆತ್ಗೆ. ತಾಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ರೆಡಿ. ನೀನು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಏನಿದೆ? ಏನಿದೆ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. Few pictures and made some videos, and it's 1 o'clock. I'm already feeling so damn hungry. Huh? We came back home and he wanted to go back down and we were not going, so he's like acting weird and he is not sitting in one place. You know these kids, right? And here is my grandmom. Samarth in the house and driving. I told him to get the car, but he's drove and he has got this. I'm scared. Oh, mommy! Metke, metke.
ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಶಿಕೆ ಶಿಕೆ.
ಸಮರ್ಥ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು? ನಾನು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫುಲ್ ಜೋರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್.
ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಾ? ಶಾಕ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಆರನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಶಿಟ್, ರಿಂಗ್ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇರ್ ಹಾಕೋ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. I don't want anything. You have. But take away. What were you saying? Take over.
We just came to King's Coffee.
When I came to Chennai, you didn't come and meet me.
I told I'll come, but you were 50 kilometers away, so I couldn't.
So, but then I had informed you one day before itself. Why you didn't come?
But
This is how you show the respect when your sister is coming to your.
It's not like that.
Then
Like exams were going on. And
don't lie. You had played Holi and all that time.
Holi.
You said right, Holi.
I guess we were busy in that Holi event, and that was
Busy.
the first
So Holi is more important than your sister.
Like we had paid for it, so it was paid
So
event.
then, so money is more important than your sister.
It's not about that. I didn't have any vehicle difficult to come 50 kilometers.
Now you're changing the reasons. Why are you changing the reasons?
You just want me to like confess my mistake that I didn't show up to you. when
Yeah,
you
then
came
it's
to
correct,
Chennai.
right? That means
You could have come to Chennai to my college.
I came from Bangalore to Chennai. In
Eh,
Chennai, you
not
were
to
in.
meet me,
Wait,
not
wait,
to meet me.
wait.
I
Whatever
don't-
it is,
I don't
whatever
stay
it
in
is.
Chennai. I don't stay in Chennai.
But you stay, you study there, you have hostel there, everything is there. From Chennai, it is 40 kilometers away, right? Your college.
Yeah.
That means it's just like half an hour. You said me the other day.
Yeah.
Correct, right? I have come, traveling the whole day to Chennai, and I had informed you that I'll be coming, and I even asked you that whether you'll be meeting me or not. Then you said, Akka, bunny, meet agana, bunny, meet agana.
I told I'll come. Then you were like, it's okay. I'm getting late.
No,
We'll make some-
you
told.
but because I
You
had
told.
told,
You
okay,
told.
I said this because I was waiting for you and you didn't show
You
up.
were not waiting.
And then
You
it
were
was
not waiting.
already 5 o'clock in the evening. Then we were leaving. But then you should have come and met me around 2 o'clock.
You were not waiting for me.
I was waiting.
No,
I
you
see
weren't.
when I left Bangalore, I had informed you. I had told you. That means I was waiting to meet you.
So you got a title. My
What
cousin didn't show up when I went to Chennai. Guys, content. She's making content. ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Girlfriend, Samarth.
Friend, only friend.
Don't lie. Why are you blushing? Why are you smiling?
I'm not blushing.
You are. Don't lie. Don't lie.
She's just my friend.
Just your friend, and that's why you guys will be going to the beach.
I usually don't go alone.
So that's why you go with
No,
her.
I only I don't hang out only with her. Like we go our friends together we go.
Oh, so that no one should get doubt.
It's not like that. She's not my girlfriend or anything. She's just my friend. A close one, that's it.
Huh?
A close one. You are making me laugh.
Okay, I told you to get the car keys. Why did you get the car? I told you to get only the car keys, not the
You
car.
were waiting outside, right? So I just thought, why should I walk? So I just got the car.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ನೀನು ಕಪ್ಪು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಂದು ಅಂತಾನೆ
I know I have become black.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಡಾರ್ಕ್
I have become tanned after going to Chennai.
After going to Chennai, then you are complaining about the city, so you don't like city. So whoever is watching from Chennai,
I don't like Chennai. I don't like the weather there. It's too hot and people easily get tanned. Look at me before and after. If you have any photos of mine, which I look,
that is also there also you look dark. But I don't have any problem because of your color and all. You have a problem because you're looking little dark. Amma karu inne hoytu.
gear
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. So I don't have any problem because of your color. Yeah.
But I do. I have problem of my color. You look so white with this foundation, some creams on your face, and I have nothing except
Otherwise
sunscreen.
also I am fair. Alva, I am fair.
It's not that I'm so dark. It's okay. I can manage. Take it.
ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೀವಿ.
I look white in my phone and look darker in her phone. I don't know.
Yeah, mine is like 13 Pro
Yes,
Max.
Too old.
No problem, I'll
Outdated,
update it. I'll update
It's
it.
okay, auntie.
Auntie.
Actually, you're my aunt.
Yeah.
Is it true or no?
Yeah. I am your aunt. You're my
I have such a young aunt.
young aunt ಅಂತ.
I look white in my phone and look darker in her phone. I don't know.
Yeah, mine is like 13 Pro
You are
Max.
too old.
No problem,
Outdated.
I'll update
It's
it.
okay, auntie.
Auntie.
Actually, you're my aunt.
Yeah.
Is it true or no?
Yeah.
Look
I
at my
am
aunt,
your
guys.
I am your aunt. You're my
I have such a young aunt. Right after reaching my home, she's taking me out to have coffee.
I never said. I told him go have food. My mom has prepared chicken curry sambar, which is very nice. But then he's like, no, it's okay. I'll stay with you outside. I don't know. I had my lunch around 12 and all.
See my aunt. She left me and had her food.
Yeah, he's coming around 3 o'clock
No,
in
no,
the
I came at
afternoon.
2. I came at 2.
But I had by 1 because I follow my diet.
What? I don't know, guys. What
I
diet she
follow
follows.
the timings and all. I just had ragi ball and chicken. I didn't even have rice. That means I am following my diet. For a while, I came near Maharaja grounds. There were too many people. I was feeling like too much. So, and now here it feels so good. And this is my nano car, and I am able to drive. I mean, like, I have not forgotten how to drive for that matter. And because it's been 7 months, I had not drove, and it had been just 1 year since I learned to drive. If this my bangs goes up because of the breeze, it's gonna look crazy. I'm gonna look crazy, so I'm just holding it up. First, I came near this grounds and just come here, and it looks really good, and the breeze is like so good, so nice. Look at the ground here. And I spent some time with my relatives, and then they left, and with my family we left to Bangalore. And that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Show us some love. Bye bye.